Goy, Fee Jamieson-Folland, the lifestyle aligner, helping you live the life you love. Today it's all about breathing exercises to help our heart health. So there are plenty of them for you to check out in this week's blog, and the effect can be profound. And when I say can be, it's all very well knowing what to do. However, unless we get that connection between doing that thing and the value of doing it, not only because of it makes sense in theory, but also we're starting to perhaps even benefit from it ourselves personally, then it ain't gonna happen. A particular aspect of this is consistency. And if you're anything like me, sometimes it can feel like, oh no, I'll only do it if I can do it really properly. And it's like that the key here with breathing exercises and getting the benefit from them when it comes to our overall health, but including our cardiovascular system, is to simply do a bit. Start where we're at. I will mention that when it comes to the science of it, and we really go into that in this week's blog, it's the vagus nerve. This is part of the picture, is that the vagus nerve gets stimulated when we are deep breathing in any one of the ones that we mentioned in terms of specific techniques and different exercises. And this literally tells our heart to slow down and our blood vessels to relax. And it reduces something called our heart rate variability. And this is a marker of how well our hearts adapt to stress and are able to deal with it. And it also improves our oxygen delivery to our cells. So it's a real all-rounder. It makes so much sense. The other aspect, there's a nice deep breath. The other aspect is that it helps stimulate our parasympathetic nervous system. And this is the part of our nervous system that helps, it shifts us into rest, digest, and heal, away from the fight-flight response, which is the adrenaline and cortisol response. And that is not good for our hearts. So when it comes to those exercises, we cover here in the blog, we cover diaphragmatic breathing, which is down into the belly basically. Box breathing, such an easy one to remember to do. And all of these is simply, if we can find 2 minutes, then we can get the benefit. Third one we cover is alternate nostril breathing, which I've found, the more I've done it, the more benefits I've noticed. 4-7-8 breathing, which is actually my favorite. And then making sure that we're just popping it into the nooks and crannies. So it might be while we're in a queue, waiting for the kettle to boil. When else is it that I tend to do it? I actually give myself a break and relax and lie down. So as you can see, I'm in my treatment room. It's very easy for me to do that. I've got a treatment table. But how about you? Have you ever dipped into the benefits of breathing? And if you have, I'd love to hear how you found it. So I look forward to seeing you online, and ciao for now.